afternoon to the pandemic. COVID-19 continues to spread in both Kansas and Missouri. In Missouri, the positivity rate's higher at 12.4%. Latest update from Kansas shows nearly 13% of tests are coming back positive. That's down slightly from Wednesday's update, and we're expecting an update from both states today. And health experts are concerned about the surge in COVID-19 cases nationwide as the Omicron variant is spreading rapidly, now confirmed in over half the country. ABC's Em Nguyen has the latest from Washington.
COVID-19 infections climbing. In the past week, at least 36 states have seen an increase of 10% or more in new daily infections. Officials say the Delta variant still makes up for 99% of infections nationwide, but the Omicron mutation is spreading, now confirmed in at least 29 states. Preliminary data indicates the variant may only cause mild illness, but health experts caution it's too early to tell.
It clearly has a transmission advantage.
A new CDC forecast predicts about 40,000 more people in the U.S. could die from COVID-19 before the end of the year, saying daily deaths are expected to remain stable or have an uncertain trend. Health officials also saying metropolitan areas are seeing a surge in cases, quote, related to gatherings, predicting cases in parts of New York will at least double through December. Starting today, New York's governor implementing a statewide mask mandate until at least mid-January, requiring face coverings to be worn at all indoor public spaces, unless businesses and venues check for proof of vaccination.
This is a crisis of the unvaccinated. Those are the individuals that are 10 times more likely to be in our hospitals. And this is where I get angry. They cannot sustain this any longer.
Health experts continue to stress the importance of getting vaccinated and boosted.
Preliminary data show that when you get a booster, for example, a third shot of an mRNA, it raises the level of protection high enough that it then does do well against the Omicron.
Well, the UK recorded its first death of a patient infected with Omicron, and that variant now makes up 40% of all new cases in London. And the British Prime Minister warned that they could be facing, quote, a tidal wave of Omicron. Just a reminder this afternoon, 16 and 17-year-olds can now get Pfizer's booster shot. FDA and CDC signed off on it last Thursday. Now, recent data from Pfizer shows that the first 2 doses alone might not hold up against the Omicron variant, but a booster significantly improves protection. Also, the United Government of Wyandotte County is offering the boosters this Wednesday through Friday from 10 until 6. This is at the Kmart location at 78th and State. However, starting next week through December 29th, the UG's changing days. It's offering COVID vaccinations and boosters Mondays through Wednesdays from 10 a.m. until 6. Hours for January have not yet been announced. Also, if you're still looking for a place to get vaccinated, head to KMBC.com. You'll find vaccine clinics in your area, as well as the latest COVID-19 case numbers on both sides of the state line. That's all at KMBC.com.